Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with safety. Park, switch ignition off, and lift each wiper arm until it holds. Once done, identify the blade connection type, hook, pin, or quick clip because the removal method depends on it. Make sure to support the arm so it doesn't slam the glass. Then, press the small release tab or lift the latch and slide the old blade down and off. You'll feel it unclip. Keep fingers clear of the spring. Remove both blades before fitting replacements. You now fit the new blade by matching the adapter supplied to your Jeep Grand Cherokee arm style. Once matched, align the clip and slide the blade up into the hook or press the adapter onto the pin. You should hear or feel a secure click. Make sure the rubber wiping edge faces the windshield and the blade sits flush in the channel. Repeat the same precise motion on the other side to ensure balanced contact and consistent sweep across the glass. You finish by lowering the arms gently back to the windshield. Do not drop them. Then run the washer and cycle the wipers at low and high speed to confirm full sweep, smooth travel, and even contact. If you see streaking, skipping, or noise, make sure the blades are the correct size and properly seated, check arm tension, and verify the rubber is not rotated or pinched. If problems persist, swap the blade to the other arm to isolate a worn arm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.